Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about retentive timers. How we can use the retentive timers in Mitsubishi PLC and see what's the difference in between retentive timers and non-retentive timers. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open my GX Works2 software, and here we will create a new project, and which PLC you have, you can select it here from which your model you have. I have FX2 and FX, and click it OK. And old project, if you like to be opened, you like to be saved, click it yes. If no like to be saved, click it no. So now your project is created successfully, and here first of all we will take one input address. For example, x0 I will take. Okay. T246 and time value we will give K10,000 and click it enter. And next we will take T246 open contact and click enter, and one output we will make the Y0 for example and click enter. And this is our retentive timer, because in previous videos already I explained about this timers T246 to how much timers for this series to T246 and T200 and T0. This in previous video already explained. So next here we will take, for example, X1 we will choose, and here we will take T0 K1000 and click it OK. And here we will take T0 contact and output we will make by 1 for example. Click enter and compile the program and start simulation and close this dialog. And for example, see this now as I give the signal at modify the value, and as I give the signal at x0, my timer will be started. See, now timer is started. As I give the stop the signal, you can see this is timer is not leave the value. How much time? This is 2200 value runs. After this, where I stopped, this value is stored at same thing. As I again give the signal, see it's running, but as I stop this one, but this will stopped. Because of this is the retentive timer. This is not leave the value. And in between this one, for example, x1 I will give signal. You can see x1 as I make it on and I will off. After you can see this is goes to the 0. Because of this leaves the value. This is the difference between retentive and non-retentive timers. Non-retentive timer leaves the value and start from 0, but this retentive timers not start from 0, which value where we stopped there start from there. Again I will start this one and make it on, and see you can see this value is running. As I make the stop button, the timer will be stopped. Again I make it on, and as it's complete his value, after this Y0 is on, and I will make it off, but again I will make it on or off. This will be not run because of this is the special timer. This have to be need special reset button. So we will make it here one new reset button, but first we will check this one timer also. You can see this one I will make it on, and as it's complete his value, after it will be on his Y1, but it's a very long value. It will be take too much time. So first we will finish this one. So I will go to the stop the simulation, and here we will make, for example, any x2 I will make. Sorry, this is first we have to be go to write mode. After you can modify the ladder. Otherwise you cannot write the program. X x2 we will choose, and here we will make this reset RST T246 and click it OK, and compile the program and start the simulation. And close this dialog, and now you can see I as I give the signal at the x0, our timer is running. When I stop this timer, it will be no leave his value. It will be stopped there. From where we stopped, there he will start. See, again I will start this one, and it will stop. But in front of this, but instead of this T0, you can see X1. If I make it on, it will be start. But when I make it off, will leave the value. There is nothing value. He start from 0, but this timer will be not start from 0. So again I will make it on. See, as it's completed his value, after y0 will be on, and now maybe I off this one, this x0, but it will be not work because of this is we have to be make reset by with x2. Now when I make it on one time and make it off, after this leave this value. This button you can fix for any sensor. When your time will be completed, after you like to be make it reset, the sensor you can use, push button you can use. This is depend on your own logic how to like to use this one. So I hope guys you will be understand about this retentive timers how we can use, and non-retentive timers how we can use. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So now make it off, see, and as I give the value, make it on this x2, after it will be make it reset this one. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.